Hey guys, over here for our Modern Japanese Architecture playlist and our little mini-series on what's going on next door to the old Japanese farmhouse. Some of you aren't going to believe this. Those of you who missed it, these guys built this brand new gutter outside these new houses that they're building, and then they tore the whole lot up, all of it, and replaced it because they'd put it in the wrong position. And then a couple of days later they came back again after the surveyors had been and tore up this section in the middle and replaced it. So they laid it all down new, and then they tore the whole lot up, and then the surveyors surveyed it, and they came back again and tore up this centre section and rebuilt it. And it took a couple of days. So again, we had the road closed again, a couple of days while they repaired the thing that they'd already done twice. So some of you guys will be laughing and shaking your heads. It's unbelievable, isn't it? 4 months we've been watching these guys. It's just incredible, isn't it? And other than this, there hasn't been a lot going on, and that's why we'd planned to give you guys an update once a week, and we sort of did that, but there wasn't enough happening. They didn't do enough work in a week to make a decent 5-minute video. So while that tearing up of that gutter was going on, the plumbers have sort of been there. Now, this guy in the black shirt, he works pretty hard. He sort of, when he's there, I mean, they're not there very much. They're only there for a few hours now and again. And he's obviously the employee, and he works reasonably hard while he's there, sort of thing. Within reason. He doesn't want to exert himself. So he's sort of managed to get down a few pipes here and there. Obviously this is the plumbing for the first floor. So they lay it out like that in the concrete, and then the wooden floor will go over the top, of course. So that's sort of what he's managed to achieve in the last couple of weeks. And meanwhile, this guy who must be his boss either sits in the car or sits on that machine and sucks on his vape and coughs a lot. He does cough a lot. He should probably give that vape away because it's not doing him a lot of good. He sucks on his vape and he coughs, and he watches the other guy work, basically. Occasionally he'll fire up that machine and he'll move a little bit of dirt from one place to another. But most of the time he just sits there sucking on his vape. So here he is later in the day. Sitting on his machine, watching the other guy work, sucking on his vape. He vapes a lot. He vapes a lot and he coughs a lot. So, put his phone down. But look at the way he works. He's got this real sort of a laconic, yes, yeah, like a kid playing sort of demeanour. So, 2 weeks, guys. This is what they've managed to achieve in the last 2 weeks. They've taken up the new gutter again and replaced it, and then they've laid down a few pipes around the place here, sort of thing. Not finished yet, of course. There's still pipes lying around all over the place in boxes, and it's really untidy work site too. That's another thing. Dirt all over the road, rocks all over the road, which is sort of dangerous really, because we get a lot of bicycles ride down our street. But anyway, so yeah, that's what's going on there. Not a lot. More videos coming soon.